So welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to know how to get the ready-made thumbnail for your videos. Maybe sometime you are traveling, you are uploading a video, you are not having a time to edit it in your laptop. So here is a particular app that will give you a ready-made thumbnail for your game, for blogging, for transport, for photography, for dance, for every type of thumbnail is there. But the best part is that even you will get the thumbnail for your Facebook or for editing Instagram posts, then everything you will get in this. So the app name is Thumbnail Ultimate Thumbnail Maker app for YouTube or banner. So here has been 1 million downloads and the rating is 4.6. You can see. So we will open the app. So here you can see the options: create or ready-made thumbnail. Then here you can edit your. Then you can get your save one also. First we will click on the ready-made thumbnail. So here you will see there are all types of thumbnail you can get for Facebook, for thumbnail for YouTube, thumbnail cover for YouTube, for social media like Instagram, for Google, for Twitter, then everything. So we will click on the thumbnail for YouTube. After clicking on the thumbnail for YouTube, it will take a few loading. Then you can see different options available there. For some are for games, then you can get it for real estate, then you can get it for photography, then for your food, then for fashions, then for fitness also, then for love, then traveling, everything, for business, music, summer, dance, everything you will get. Just so I will show you how to edit this ready-made thumbnail. So we'll click on the see more option. After clicking on the see more option, it will take few loading. After taking loading, you select a particular thumbnail according to how to edit this. Every particular thing has a different shape, so you can delete also. See, I want to delete this gun option. You can click on the delete option. You can bring it back again. You can click this back undo option. So what if you want to change this text, you can click the text and you can see the option edit text. So we will click on the edit option. So here you can write top 10 game, like you can click on the add. So here you can see the text has been edited. So you want to remove this green one, you can remove. So again you want to bring it back, you can click on the undo option. If you want to change the background, there is a option, background option. Then you go on to add a sticker, right? You can see you want to add any text. So let me click on the background option. After clicking on the background option, you can select any text. You can select it from your gallery also. You can select it according to you, but I will select the online background. So let me select a background. I'm selecting this one. After this, you can adjust the background, which part you want to add in your videos. So after selecting this one, you click on the right option. So as you have seen, the background has been changed. You can move this one also. You can bring it here also, and you can reduce the capacity of this one. So according to you. So you can add a stickers according which one you want to add. So let me select this drone one. So you can just put it into particular position which it will give a nice look. You can just scroll it. So this thumbnail has been already made. So you can download it clicking on the download option. Here is the option at the right corner. You can download it. You can also erase the part also. Any sticker you want to erase. So I will show another thumbnail for you. So there are more than 50 thumbnails in a particular banner. So you can add according to you can add your name also. See, every thumbnail is given. You can get the idea how to make thumbnail from this app also. Let me show you more. So here we go with some photography also. You can see, you can click on the see more option and you can get the more how to add the thumbnail in your photo. You are cooking something, you can add your ready-made thumbnail for cooking also is available, then for fashion, then for fitness. Just click on the see more and you see a particular thumbnail which one you want to add.